Maybe I can finally beat all those soccer moms in their Porsches. Hey, it's me, Johnny, Hardbodiez Gym. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're visiting the future. Ooh, isn't it nice? In the future, just so you know, waiting for things, it's an inconvenience of the past. Check it out. For instance, in the past, when you were hungry, you had to order food, wait for it, or you had to make it. Go to the grocery store. All these things were very inconvenient. But today, you just think about food and all of a sudden, you have it. It's amazing. Who on earth is Pierre Manslapper? They always get my name wrong. The inconvenience of maintaining your physical body? Not a problem here either. Check it out. And just in case you're wondering why there's a 10-pounder on the bar, well, let me explain. Month 1, you put 2.5s on there. Month 2, you switch those out for 5s, then 7.5, then 10, and after a year, all your lifts go up by 60 pounds. Like I said, in the future, it's almost like you're not even lifting any weight at all. And in the future, all it takes to pull a major hottie is a sweet mustache like this. See? And it even works to get 2 hotties.
No.
What? And in the future, this A91 edition refraction blue Toyota Supra, made by BMW, branded by Toyota, has 382 horsepower, has one of the most responsive turbochargers I've ever seen, and goes 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. That's before I put the engine air intake in it, and before my friend James surprised me with a full FI race exhaust. But in the future, we want more. And so, thanks to this, in the future, horsepower is near instantaneous. I just want to say thank you to my friend Casey for installing this thing. It didn't take him very long. Like I said, near instantaneous. And word on the street is on 93 octane, which doesn't exist in the state of Utah, you can get 80 horsepower out of this thing. I don't know what 382 plus 80 is. 462? I get that right? Comment below if I did or didn't. But that's pretty dang good. It's in the car. I think we need to take it for a rip. Truth be told, I think when you change the tune, it doesn't speak to the horsepower computer, because I think they max it out at what they set it at. That's what I'm told. Alrighty, so we gotta get the car washed. Why? Because it's bad luck to have a dirty car. It's just bad etiquette to treat your car poorly. A random dog at the car wash? What's up, buddy? Not to get all complainy, but this car wash sucks. I swiped my card 6 times, and I think it charged me every time. Hey, this one works! Yep, I'm cheap. We only do soap. We have a clean car. Actually paid to squirt water at a car. And there's the bar lacquer. Good people. I have noticed the best thing about this tune is where the Supra would normally kind of slow down in power, this just keeps pushing. It's insane. And as amazing as the future is with instant horsepower and things that come quick, sometimes things that come quick actually leave quick. And yes, I decided to sell my 2021 A91 Supra. And it breaks my heart, but sometimes to move forward, you gotta move slightly backwards. Thank you for watching, and as I promised, Hardbodiez is changing. You are gonna love what's coming. See you next time. So the absolute worst part about selling my Supra is that the only person available to pick me up also has a Supra.
I know. It's heartbreaking, isn't it?
It's like the universe is trying to tell me something. But don't you worry, something else is coming.